the beginning of the video. Look, it's a duck. See its eyes in the front? It's a duck. Actually, it opens up, and then it becomes the bottom part of this, what they call Swiffer brush or washer. I broke the handle on it. So what I did is I had another handle that the end came off. So I spliced the two of them together. And now I've got the end that the attachment will work. So what was my cost? 15 minutes of work. I needed a saw or a grinder, or 20 minutes of work, a saw or grinder, proper tape to put on it to cover, because I spliced, it was all in metal, I spliced it, put it together, you need tape around it. My total cost, I'd say if I was a laborer, at a minimum of half an hour, would probably be about $8 to fix this. As a home buddy, I needed 15 minutes of time. So how precious is your time from washing the dishes to cleaning the floor to fixing things? So you have to process where you need your time. But obviously you would, I mean, personally, something to know, I mean, this is my duck. Got a big mouth. It could be an alligator. You know what? Could be an alligator. Yeah, it looks more like an alligator. Don, you think it looks more like an alligator? Mm-hmm. Especially since I tinted the color, the paint on this. That's an alligator coming in. So that's it. That's basically the minute and 48 seconds you're going to get of how not to save $1 million. What do you mean? Cost you $6 if you would have did it 15 minutes of your time. Why do you say you saved $1 million? This comes out of China. If everybody would fix in 15 minutes of their time everything in their house that came from somewhere else, or bought more North America where there's more, where we're bringing in less money and where we're losing the percentage of the value of our what do you want to call it? Oh, Canada, what do you call it? Our country. So by me putting in 15 minutes of my time, stopping all these imports from things that were savings, less stuff goes into the dump, and voila, we've rebalanced the planets. The percentage and number of people that live in the 3 hemispheres, okay, and where we do our trade, debalances the money, therefore debalances the planet. Therefore, it's happening because we're not doing DIY. Do it yourself at home and create it with something that comes out of the trash and around the corner, so we don't need the imports, sending all the profits to other countries, debalancing society. Thank you for watching. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus.